day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the second day of the Fun Physics Game project. I need you to go to MT Tools and I need you to launch blank to get into blank. Your job was to create a game the other day using a YouTube clip, which I will add to this movie as well. If you did that, you also were shown that you could do file save scene, which means now you can do file load scene. I'm going to load my game MDH. And you can see that I've got a cool game that was shooting balls into one spot. And then my job was to make a screenshot of it and add it to Classroom. You can tweak your game right now to make it more epic. If you have ideas that you came up with since the first day you made it, you can adjust those. Just for giggles, I'm going to make my game a little bit different. I'm going to add 2 little blocks. I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to attach those to the wall or to the sky. And then I'm going to grab the nifty chain. And I like the chain because it can be used as a slingshot. So now when we play my game, I can hit play. This little piece, I had set it so that it was controlled by the arrow key so I can actually drive it out of the way. And then I can grab the ball and I can try and shoot a ball into my basket. There's my hand tool, stretch, and there was a fail. But I can just go back, and it's in the right location, but I can try again, and fail again. But this is how you can create a game nice and quick. You can have cooler games, you can extend your game from the other day, see what you can do to make a game that is extremely awesome, and then when you're done, make sure that you do your screenshot using duck link and duck capture. It brings up your little capture tool. And then you need to do the screenshot and just show me your working game parts. I accidentally let go of the little handle, and make sure you got enough of the game so I can tell what you did. And then when you save it, it saves to the desktop. And then in Google Classroom, find the lesson where you had to add the screenshot of your attempt. It's hard to end up for these to be perfect, so that's why I allowed you to do attempts. And then my favorite way is to make the screen smaller so I can see the snapshot on the desktop. And then just simply grab the file and upload it. Click upload. And then once it's ready, you can turn it in. You've got time today to try and make your game a little more fancy. You can ask questions. Just make sure that by the end of the hour, you do have that turned in for me, because only about half of you did on Friday. So let's get to work, see how epic our creations can be, check out our neighbors' creations, and then have an epic day in modules.